Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to install previous Intel graphic driver and download the older Intel driver version. So let's get started. So if you want to download the previous installed graphic driver in your device, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is to simply tap on the Windows key in your keyboard. After tapping on that, now what you can do is to simply search for device manager. After searching for device manager, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is display adapters. After tapping on display adapters, now what you have to do is just simply select your Intel graphic driver. After selecting your graphic driver, now what you have to do is just simply tap on driver and then copy this driver version. So simply copy the driver version, and after copying it, now what you have to do is just simply tap on OK and then right click on the following driver and then uninstall the driver. After doing that, now what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, just simply select the account and then paste the version that you have just copied. After pasting it, now you will come up with this page. From here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which is from Intel, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply install a driver from here. So now if you want to install any drivers, what you can do is just simply tap on the following option which you can find over here, which is inside your resolution. So simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find the following drivers over here. So this is the latest version of driver. If you want to download the oldest version, then what you can do is just simply tap on this version option, and after tapping on that, this is the latest version, this is the oldest version, and you can also find more versions by selecting that option. So just simply tap on this version option and you can find any version that you want and just simply install it in your device. After installing it, just simply download this driver in your device. After doing that, the old version of driver will be added. So that's it guys, this is how to install previous Intel graphics driver and download the older Intel driver version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.